So now I've inverted the painting because like we've done in studio, we want the roof ka upar ka line straight. So we'll try and put colors in the sky, water in the sky, and we'll try and get that shape of the roof, and the green will then blend into the sky. सिर्फ पानी है ये. I'm going to use a little darker green and define the roof like we've done before. So this is sap green that I have. It's a little, it's green with a little bit of brownish shade. So I inverted it again. Now I'm going to allow the gravity to do its work. I was feeling that the whole paper is getting dried, so you can just add water. This is the sap green, and you can see how beautifully it just falls down. And I want to add a little bit of blue color to it so that it becomes a little darker, and we've done that before also. So I'm going to add green and blue to make it a little dark. But you have to make sure that the paper is wet. Otherwise, then it will start looking too blotchy. So at some places you can also add the brown that you've added, but make sure the paper is wet because this is going to blend a little. So here I'm going to add Payne's Grey. It's a darker blue that I have, just to define thoda sa roof ka piche ka part, and then it also becomes the leaves. So at some place, you don't give a solid color. You can just put dots and highlight the roof. Now we are going to do a very important part. I've added this gray to green, okay. It's a darker shade of blue, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to color roof ke niche ka part but not the green ka part. So you can see where I'm coloring, okay. And it's what we are essentially trying to do is पीछे जो color है वो हम बाद में लगा रहे because it's darker. So once I finish this, you will understand what I'm trying to say. Also make sure the roof na is not like a straight line ऊपर की तरफ से. It's a little jagged line because it's a tin roof or some another, you know, with some kind of a form. So you can see. अभी ये जो left में आपको green दिख रहा है, वो green ऐसा लग रहा है वो आगे की तरफ है. So that is something that you have to look at. This is a very interesting step to really define the house. So you can now understand that the greens are in front of the darker shade of the house. With this brown, we are going to try and add some same darker blue color to make it a dark brown, and we are going to highlight the steps and things that are in front. So this is, again, you can see I've not, it's very important to understand कि कुछ जगह पे छोड़ दिया है. It's not like a proper rectangle that I've made. At some places, you know, it's a dry brush technique that we are trying to use. And over here you will see मैंने full brush को नीचे पूरा, the entire brush is on the paper. It's touching the surface of the paper. And the moment you do that, you get this some texture. See this texture. So you can start playing with that. It's only to define. Now it looked too you know, dark and rigid. So I'm going to allow it to go down. This is ऊपर का blue which I have just wiped it. And this is again a very interesting step. So niche I wanted to blend. So what I'm doing is I've just sprayed some water. Some places there's going to be water. I think I'm going to lift, yeah. So you can see what kind of an effect is there. Okay, and now you can see the beautifully the brown is falling down. If it doesn't fall down, you can always use a brush the way I'm using. Very light color and just mostly water. So yeah, this is a very, you know, this is how you get textures through watercolor. So I'm adding more color, more pigment, more darker brown because there's water on paper, so I can use more brown, and I'm allowing the color to fall, to merge somewhere with the floor. I'm also going to put some colors, very light colors, lines when it is still wet onto the foreground. So again over here foreground जो है ये आगे का part है, this is absolute fun part. So I just feel like adding some more textures, some more, you know, strong textures on the foreground. So I've just sprinkled some water. You may want to do, you may not want to do that, absolutely okay. So you can take a call on that. But the idea is that the lower line of plinth needs to somewhere get blended with the foreground. So we are trying to add some more colors. जो ज़मीन पे डाला है to give perspective का effect. वही आई एम ट्राइंग टू पुट इट ऑन रूफ ऑल्सो, बट ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज टू डार्क, सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज वाटर एंड जस्ट स्प्रेड इट ब्यूटिफुली. पीछे का भी आ रहा है कलर ऑन टू द रूफ एंड दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली ओके एज लॉन्ग एज आई हैव माई लेफ्ट और ऊपर का line intact, there's no problem. So you can play around, absolutely no problem. If you don't want, you can avoid this step also.